According to Robert Kiyosaki, if you invest $100 in a Shiba Inu coin right now, you will become wealthy. On December 5, Shiba Inu's price increased as markets continued to evaluate the jobs news from the previous Friday. The more compelling argument demonstrates the U.S. labor market's durability in the face of rising interest rates from the Fed and raises the possibility of the Goldilocks scenario, in which the Fed raises rates while there are no significant job losses and the economy continues to expand. This Monday, equities would receive a significant boost from that, and cryptocurrencies would benefit as well. This video will discuss Robert Kiyosaki's insight that investing $100 in Shiba Inu coin today will make you wealthy. NewsShib. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. On December 5, Shiba Inu is confounding traders with a jaw-dropping run to the upside. At one point, an intraday gain of 8% was posted in the Asia-Pacific session. The Chinese government's relaxing efforts, which further relaxed its COVID policy in the hopes of a soft landing in the U.S., were the cause of that upward movement. As evidenced by the U.S. employment figures, a highly positive labor market outlook might spark a change of course as the Fed approaches its pivot and historically frequently begins to decrease rates. SHIB's final task for the day is to close above the green ascending trend line in order to support the current breakthrough. Bulls can then successfully retake the area of the trend line and use it to help the rally. Before reaching zero, the 55-day and 200-day simple moving averages, SMAs, are anticipated to be close to it. Close to the $1,125 one barrier for the month of December. All asset classes are currently in a state of very tenuous balance. The existing correlations might simply be broken down by a single headline from a Fed member that mentions something different from what the markets are anticipating. This implies that the previously mentioned tailwind from stocks could dissipate, evaporate quickly, and possibly turn into a headwind, resulting in a decline below the green rising trend line. Support should arrive close to $0.900. Monitoring the activities of the main market participants in the world of cryptocurrencies is one approach to keep ahead of significant market movements. These powerful traders, also referred to as whales, have the power to raise or lower the market. Blockchain's transparency makes it possible to use easily accessible web tools to follow the movements of crypto whales in real time. Shiba Inu appears to be a big holding for crypto whales, according to a recent chain study. Given that it is still too simple to dismiss Shiba Inu as a get-rich-quick meme, the case for Shiba Inu is more difficult to make. To Shiba Inu's credit, though, the developers of this memecoin have been actively working to raise the coin's total worth. Of course, drastically raising Shiba Inu's burn rate has been the most dramatic move. There were 1 quadrillion coins in circulation when the coin first went into circulation. Shiba Inu must therefore keep burning coins if it ever hopes to reach the $1 price level. Shiba Inu are so abundant that they still trade for exactly 0 points. Additionally, Shiba Inu has been making efforts to increase the usefulness of its coin. For instance, Shiba Inu has been creating a brand new online metaverse environment where land may be purchased and sold using cryptocurrencies. It also establishes partnerships with physical shops and retailers to get Shiba Inu acknowledged as a valid payment option. American Airlines is one example of a recent victory. You can use Shiba Inu to pay for your flight when you're prepared to make your next travel reservation. Markets are typically moved by crypto whales. The dynamic is similar to that of the stock market, when investors rely important choices regarding what to do with a certain stock on what Warren Buffett or a significant hedge fund is doing. As a result, by making it a practice to monitor what these whales are doing, it might be feasible to predict impending market movements and have a better understanding of the mood of the market as a whole. At the absolute least, looking over the crypto portfolios of significant whales can provide you some interesting trade ideas. Additionally, you may have a better understanding of the distribution of their portfolios and the total number of tokens owned by the largest crypto investors in the globe. Due to its high daily trading volume, Binance is regarded as the largest cryptocurrency exchange. Nevertheless, in recent weeks, after selling all of its FTT holdings, it has even established itself as one of the major players in the cryptocurrency market. And the ultimate winner has to be the following collapse of FTX Finance. Shiba Inu's price dropped by 25% in market value at the end of the November auction. SHIB has retested a level of support that had already been shattered, which would serve as the impetus for yet another downturn. It will need a persistent barrier and consolidation above the 0 point to produce opposing bullish scenarios. On December 5, Shiba Inu was another big gainer as the memecoin climbed to a 3-week high. SHIB rose to a high of $0 and 1,005 cents to begin the week before plunging on Sunday to a low of $0 and 9,253 cents. Shiba Inu is trading at its highest level since November 11 as a result of today's advances, just below a crucial resistance level. SHIB bulls chose to sell earlier holdings and accept profits rather than pushing the token past this ceiling at the 0 mark. SHIB is trading at 0, having fallen from previous highs as a result. This occurs as the RSI approaches its own 56-point resistance level. The index is currently trading at 55.39. Chris Caper, a former top hedge fund manager, is the real deal when it comes to his simple options trading method. By revealing his trade tips in real time, he is assisting thousands of traders. According to the official Twitter account for the SHIB Superstore, the initiative has already burned an astounding 3.27 billion SHIB tokens. In November 2021, this project started burning SHIB tokens, and in the ensuing years, it is anticipated that it will continue to burn billions of SHIB tokens. Burning tokens entails removing currency from circulation. It often entails sending the money or tokens to an address without a private key attached so that they can never be retrieved. 50 transactions and 126 million SHIB tokens were burned during the course of the last 7 days, while 223 million SHIB tokens were burned the week before. These unidentified whales transferred more than 280 billion Shiba Inus on December 6 through 3 different techniques. On Finance, someone sold hundreds of millions. In 3 phases, these unidentified whales have moved more than 280 billion Shiba Inus. A whale that sold for hundreds of millions of dollars on Finance is interesting. According to additional fraud information given by the Shiba Play Twitter account, over 281 billion SHIB tokens had been transferred via anonymous wallets in the previous day. These came after the 115 billion Shiba sales on Friday. 3 transfers totaling 120,670,363, 900, and 683 billion, 341, 1,872,681, and 77,950,331 and 254 Shiba Inu were reported by the Twitter user. The first transaction in the last 24 hours was intended for one of the wallets. Currently, crypto is still located at this address. Regarding the wallets that received 83.3 million and 77.9 million Shiba, however, nothing can be said. These 2 wallets both sent SHIB, therefore they are currently empty of Shiba Inu. The wallet that initially purchased 83,341,872,681 Shiba changed wallets and then made 3 large postal purchases of Shiba again. He purchased 243,639,085, 269, 636.464, 269,499,67 Shiba Inus in total. The full SHIB was forwarded to other addresses right away by these 3 men. Whales earn from buying Shiba Sat when the price is falling and selling it when the price is briefly rising due to the present price volatility of the second largest memecoin. According to crypto #coin.com, a mysterious whale sent 114,952,894,138 SHIB to a wallet with the last letters, 7E6C, on Friday. Then this big sum of Shiba was transferred to a Binance wallet, probably going to be sold. According to Etherscan, that amount of Shiba was around $1.4 million at the time. The other 3 wallets can currently send significant amounts of Shiba to the same Binance wallet. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.